Mm. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, feel the rhythm tonight. Many people come and go, many faces me see, but one love, one woman, one heart. Nobody loves me like my woman. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Me walk through this world searching for something real, trying to find a love my heart could feel. I met many people along the way, but nobody loved me the way you stay. You saw my weakness and never ran. You believed in me and helped me stand. When the world turned cold and walked away, you were the one who chose to stay. Your smile brings sunshine to my morning sky. Your love gives me wings when I need to fly. The ocean breeze whispers your name, because my life will never be the same. Every heartbeat tells the truth. My greatest blessing came from you. Every road and every mile was worth it just to see your smile. Nobody loves me like my woman. Nobody understands my heart. Through every storm and every struggle, she was there right from the start. Nobody loves me like my woman, my queen beneath the Caribbean sun. Her love is my shelter, my peace, my strength. She is my forever one. Oh girl, nobody loves me like you. Ooh, nobody loves me like you. Me don't need diamonds shining bright. Your love is my greatest light. Me don't need riches from the sea, because your heart is enough for me. When me fall, you help me rise. I see forever in your eyes. When the rain comes pouring down, your love turns my tears around. The reggae rhythm plays so sweet when our hearts move to the same beat. Under the moon and island breeze, your love brings me perfect peace. Nobody loves me like my woman, the greatest gift you gave to me. Her love is deeper than the ocean, stronger than the waves of the sea. Nobody loves me like my woman, my happiness, my dream come true. No matter where this life takes me, my heart will always choose you. Oh, Jah. Real love is not about perfection. It's about someone who stays, someone who believes, someone who loves you, even on your hardest days. I'm found that love in her. Years may pass and seasons change, but my love will always remain. We'll watch the sunset by the shore and create memories forevermore. We'll dance beneath the island stars, remembering how we came this far. Every chapter, every page we write will shine like a beautiful light. No distance can break what we have grown, because together we built a home. Until my final breath is true, I'll always be grateful for you. Nobody Oh yeah, forever my woman, forever my queen, forever my love. Yeah man, the world has many treasures, but the greatest treasure I found is the woman who loves me like nobody else. Nobody loves me like my woman. Yeah man. Oh Jah, every sunrise brings a new beginning. Every morning carries a promise. And when me look at you, me see tomorrow, me see forever. Me remember the days when the road was unclear, walking through life with a heart full of fear. Dreams felt distant, the nights felt long, searching for where me truly belong. Then you came like the morning sun and showed me a new life had begun. Your smile brought hope into my heart, a beautiful future ready to start. The palm trees move with the island breeze, the ocean sings through the Caribbean seas. Every moment standing next to you feels like a dream that came true. Every sunrise paints the sky like the love I see inside your eyes. Every day feels fresh and new, because my tomorrow starts with you. You are my beautiful tomorrow, the hope that takes away my sorrow, the dream I prayed would come my way, the reason I believe in every day. You are my beautiful tomorrow, my happiness I will always follow. On the Caribbean sky so blue, my future begins with you. Oh girl, you are my tomorrow, my forever love. Me don't need to know what tomorrow brings, because your love gives me everything. No treasure found across the sea could ever mean more than you to me. When the storms come and the clouds appear, your loving heart keeps me near. When the world feels heavy and cold, your hand reminds me I am old. The reggae rhythm plays tonight, the moon above is shining bright, dancing slowly beside the shore. I know I couldn't ask for more. You are my beautiful tomorrow, the light that shines through every shadow. Your love is my strength, my guiding way, the blessing that brightens every day. You are my beautiful tomorrow, the one my heart will always follow. Through every season, through every tide, I want you forever by my side. Oh Jah, sometimes the greatest blessings are not found in things we own. They are found in the person who makes us believe again. And you are my blessing. Years may pass and time may fly, we'll still watch the sunrise paint the sky. We'll share our laughter, share our dreams, building a life beside the streams. We'll remember every step we took, every chapter in our love storybook. From island mornings to peaceful nights, you will always be my brightest lights. No distance can change what we have found, because true love keeps us safe and sound. And until my final day is through, my heart will keep choosing you. You are my beautiful tomorrow, my joy after every sorrow, the reason my heart believes life loving you. Oh yeah. Forever my woman, forever, forever my future, forever, forever my love. Yeah man, tomorrow is not just another day. When you have the right person beside you, tomorrow becomes a beautiful promise. You are my beautiful tomorrow. Yeah man. Oh Jah, feel the island breeze tonight. The ocean has a rhythm, the stars have a story, but my soul only knows one thing: your love. Oh. Me was searching through life for a place to belong, trying to find where my heart was strong. Walking through moments, chasing dreams, looking for something more than it seemed. Then you came like a beautiful sunrise, with endless warmth shining through your eyes. You gave my heart a reason to believe, a kind of love I never thought I'd receive. The palm trees sway when you walk my way. The whole island feels brighter each day. Your gentle touch and your loving smile make every journey worth every mile. Every heartbeat calls a name. My life will never be the same. Every blessing from above reminds me of your endless love. My soul belongs to your love, a blessing sent from heaven above. You are my peace, you are my light, the one who makes my world feel right. My soul belongs to your love, the greatest gift I have ever known. Through every storm and every tide, I'll keep your heart right by my side. Oh girl, my soul belongs to you, forever and always. Me don't need treasures across the sea. Your love is everything I need. No diamond, no gold, no wealth I find could match the beauty inside your mind. When the rain falls and the night gets cold, your loving arms are where I hold. When the road becomes hard to see, your love brings me back to me. The reggae rhythm fills the night, the moon above is shining bright, dancing together beside the shore. I know my heart could ask no more. My soul belongs to your love, the sweetest blessing from above. You are my dream, my destiny, the one who brings out the best in me. My soul belongs to your love, a feeling pure and strong enough. No distance, no time, no changing sea can take your love away from me. Oh Jah, some people search for a lifetime, for something that feels real, a love that brings peace, a love that heals. And I found that love in you. Years may pass and seasons turn, but this love will always burn. We'll watch the sunrise, watch the moon, still singing our forever tune. We'll create memories along the way, holding on through every day. From island mornings to starry nights, you will always be my guiding light. No ocean can separate our hearts, because true love never falls apart. Until my final breath is true, my soul will always belong to you. My soul belongs to your love, the answer to every parable. With your hand in mine, I feel complete. You make my life so pure and sweet. My soul belongs to your love, my forever dream, my only one. The stars may fade, the waves may move, but I'll spend forever loving you. Oh yeah, forever my woman, forever my love. Yeah, man. The world may change, the seasons may come and go, but one thing will remain. My heart, my spirit, my soul belongs to your love. My soul belongs to your love. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, feel the island breeze tonight. Out in the middle of the Caribbean Sea, we found a treasure not made of gold, not made of diamonds, but a love that stole my heart. Me was walking along the shoreline alone, listening to the waves and the ocean tone. The sunset was painting the evening sky when I saw an angel walking by. Her smile was brighter than the morning sun, and from that moment my heart begun. The island breeze moved through her hair, and suddenly love was everywhere. She had a spirit so pure and free, like a beautiful song from the sea. The way she laughed, the way she smiled, made my heart stay for a while. Every wave that touches the sand reminds me of holding her hand. Every star shining above tells the story of our love. The island girl who stole my heart, she was my dream right from the start. With her love my world feels new, every road leads back to you. The island girl who stole my heart, a beautiful blessing, a work of art. Under Caribbean sky so bright, she became my morning and my night. Oh girl, you stole my heart, and I don't want it back. Me don't need riches from another land, I just need her holding my hand. No treasure buried beneath the sea could mean more than what she means to me. The reggae drums play when she dances slow, like the ocean waves that come and go. The palm trees move to the island sound, because true love is what we found. When the rain falls and the clouds appear, I know my island girl is near. Her love is peace, her love is light, the reason my world feels right. The island girl who stole my heart, the one who gave my life a start. Her love is deeper than the ocean blue, and every day I fall for you. The island girl who stole my heart, forever together, never apart. Through every season, through every tide, I'll keep her forever by my side. Oh Jah, some treasures are hidden, some treasures are found, but but the greatest treasure is the love that comes around. And we found mine on an island shore. Years may pass and the tides may change, but my love for her stays the same. We'll watch the sunsets disappear, still holding each other near. We'll dance beneath the Caribbean moon, singing our forever love tune. Every memory, every smile will make this journey worthwhile. No ocean can carry my heart away, no storm can make my love fade, because the day she walked into my life was the day everything became right. The island girl who stole my heart, the queen of my dreams from the very start, with just blessings shining above. We built a life filled with love. The island girl who stole my heart, my forever love, my perfect part. The stars may shine, the waves may roll, but she will always own my soul. Oh yeah, forever my island girl, forever my love. Oh yeah, man. The ocean has many stories, the islands have many treasures, but the greatest treasure I found was a girl who stole my heart. The island girl who stole my heart. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, tonight we just want to say thank you for the love you gave me, for the peace you brought me, because some blessings are too beautiful to explain. And me, I'm forever grateful. Hey. Oh, yeah. Me remember the days when we walked alone, searching for a place that felt like home. The road was long, the nights were cold, until your love came and made me whole. You came into my life like the morning sun, and showed me my new journey had begun. Your kindness healed the wounds inside, your love became my sweetest guide. The palm trees sway when you are near, your voice is the song me love to hear. The ocean breeze carries your name, and my heart will never be the same. Every sunrise, every day, I thank Jah that you came my way. Every moment, every touch reminds me why I love you so much. Forever grateful for your love, the greatest blessing from above. You gave my heart a reason to smile, and made my journey worth every mile. Forever grateful for your love, I give sent down from above. Through every storm and every tide, I'll keep you forever by my side. Oh girl, me thank Jah for you, forever and always. Oh girl, me don't need diamonds, me don't need gold. Your loving heart is worth more than all. No treasure found across the sea could ever mean as much as you mean to me. When the world feels feels heavy and hard to face. Your love surrounds me with endless grace. When me fall, you help me stand, always holding my heart in your hand. The reggae rhythm plays tonight, underneath the moon shining bright. The island breeze and ocean sound celebrate the love that we have found. Forever grateful for your love, my angel sent from up above. Your smile brings sunshine to my day. Your love guides me along the way. Forever grateful for your love, the kind of love people dream of. No distance, no time, no change in sea can take your love away from me. Oh Jah, some people search for years for a love that feels this true. Some people search for happiness, and I found mine the moment I found you. Years may pass and seasons change, but my love for you will stay the same. We'll watch the sunsets by the shore, creating memories forevermore. We'll laugh together, we'll grow together, standing strong through every weather. Every chapter that we write will shine like stars throughout the night. No storm can break what we have built, no wave can wash away this gift, because the love we share today will forever guide our way. Forever grateful for your love, my heart's greatest treasure. From above, with your hand holding on to mine, I know everything will be fine. Forever grateful for your love, a blessing I will always trust. The stars may fade, the oceans move, but I'll never stop loving you. Oh yeah. Forever my woman, forever my queen, forever grateful for your love. Yeah man, the world has many treasures, but the greatest treasures is a heart that truly loves you. And he will always say, thank you, Jah, for sending her to me. Forever grateful for your love. Yeah man. Oh Jah, feel the island breeze tonight. The ocean has its beauty, the stars have their light, but the greatest blessing is the woman standing beside me. My woman, my life, my everything. Me walk through this world searching for a sign, hoping one day true love would be mine. I saw many faces, I traveled many roads, carrying dreams and heavy loads. Then you came like the morning sun and showed me my beautiful journey had begun. Your loving heart, your gentle smile made every struggle worth every mile. You believed in me when others walked away. You brought me hope on my darkest days. The palm trees dance, the ocean sings, because your love changed everything. Every heartbeat calls your name. My life will never be the same. Every blessing from the sky above reminds me of your endless love. My woman, my life, my everything, the reason my heart continues to sing. You are my sunshine, you are my light, the one who makes my world feel right. My woman, my Me don't need diamonds shining bright. Your love is my greatest light. Me don't need riches across the sea, because your heart is enough for me. When the storm comes and the rain falls down, your love turns my worries around. When the road gets hard and the nights get long, your love gives me the strength to carry on. The reggae rhythm plays our song, a melody where we both belong. Under the moon and island sky, I see forever in your eyes. Oh, my woman, my life, my everything, my queen, my dream, my sweetest feeling. No treasure found beneath the sun could ever compare to the love we have won. My woman, my life, my everything, the answer to every prayer I sing, with Jah's blessings shining above. We built a lifetime filled with love. Oh, Jah. Some people search for wealth, some people search for fame, but me found something greater, a love that knows my heart. A woman who stays through every season. Years may pass and time may fly, we'll still watch the sunrise paint the sky. We'll laugh together, we'll grow together, standing strong through every weather. We'll remember the day we first met, a moment me will never forget. Every chapter, every memory we make shows the beautiful journey we take. No distance can break the bond we share, because true love will always be there. Until my final breath is true, my heart will always belong to you. Oh, my woman, my life, my everything, the greatest blessing love could bring. You are my home, my peace, my dream, the most beautiful soul I've ever seen. My woman, my life, my everything, forever the song my heart will sing. The stars may fade, the oceans move, but I'll spend forever loving you. Oh, yeah. Forever my woman, forever my queen, forever my everything. Yeah, man. The world has many treasures, the islands have many wonders, but nothing compares to finding the one person who becomes your whole world. My woman, my life, my everything.